Welcome back. I'm super excited about this topic. It's icebreaker ideas for team company meetup. And the reason why I'm most excited about this is because we've actually been at a lot of company events ourselves. And let me tell you, it can be quite awkward when you don't know a lot of people and you just stick with people who are in your department or people that you are in cliques with. And we've actually also worked with a lot of companies and they're remote. And when they're meeting for the first time, people don't necessarily know each other because they're meeting in person for the first time. And they want a little bit of an interactive networking activity that's going to help them mingle and actually talk to others in the room. This is an icebreaker idea that's going to be perfect for this. An icebreaker is called Jam Bingo. Jam Bingo is a fun, I'm going to stress that, it's fun, but fun is a byproduct because it focuses on networking and making that interactive. So it helps people make meaningful conversations, and the meaningful conversations create connections and actually gets people to talk. And at the very end of the day, it becomes fun because fun is a byproduct of when people get to feel seen, they get to feel heard, and they get to feel like they connect with the people around. So I'm going to share with you how Jam Bingo works because I think it could be very beneficial for your upcoming events if you're looking for networking activities and icebreakers to use. What it is, it's an icebreaker that helps people start conversations. So one of the things you get to do is you get to add conversation challenges and prompts to your Jam Bingo. And these conversation challenges could be things like ask someone what 3 words their friends would use to describe them. Or it could be find someone wearing a colorful tie. Or it could be something like find someone who's a boomerang. They left the company and came back and ask them why they came back. The more conversation challenges you have, the more conversations people are able to have during the icebreaker networking session. Create your Jam Bingo and it's going to give you a QR code. So now you get to display this QR code on a big screen, or you can display it and print it off on a sheet of paper and place it around the room. And now the concept behind the game is people come in, they scan the code, and then they get a conversation challenge. When they get a conversation challenge, they then have to walk around the room and actually find someone else who can answer their challenge or question. And this is where the mingling and interactive aspect comes in because now they get to actually go up to someone else in the room and ask them about the question on their phone. And this works especially when you have a large group of people. And it also works really well when you have a group of people who don't know each other already. And it's great because it breaks that initial ice and it gives people a question / a reason to approach someone else without the feeling of like, what do I say? Who do I approach? But the game actually gives you a question in hand that you can go up to someone else and say, hey, what 3 words would your friends use to describe you? Let's connect. And then we can take the conversation from there. So this is an icebreaker idea that's definitely been life-changing for folks at our company because we have a lot of introverts. And it also has been life-changing for others who've used the platform as well when we facilitate it at events. So if this is something that, if you're hosting an event and you're like, hey, people don't know each other that well, we want them to mingle, we want them to connect, then Jam Bingo is what you need to be using for your events. I'll add a link to the resources down below and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Love to chat more about it in the comment section below. Okay, well, this is a fun icebreaker idea for your upcoming team meetup and I hope this helps. Cheers.